Alright, so I just bought myself a new bag system for my Honda CRF. This is going to be kind of a universal set. At least it says so here. Well, it's from Rhinowalk. I had to sink pretty low to purchase this set because I actually bought it off Temu. And the reason why is because when you're looking for a budget bag system for your bike, I paid about 150 bucks for this. So in Norway, that's like 1,500 kroners, which I think is not that bad. At least you don't have to spend 800 bucks. So it's like it's 2 10 liters and 1 30 liter, and it's this simple universal modular bag system. Okay, so first impression on these things, like it doesn't seem like the best kind of quality, but I think it's okay. This one I can feel has some stronger material, probably because of the heat that is going to be produced. This is probably going to lay in the back of my Honda close to the exhaust, so it has to be kind of thermal treated somehow. I guess we will see that later on. They are supposed to be waterproof, which remains to be seen. You actually even got a net here if you just want some easy access, like a bottle or something. That's pretty nice. Motorcycle bags. I'm gonna keep that in mind if I need other sets. So the ones that I do not have now is the 20 liter. Okay, they are pretty decent actually. The quality seems just fine. And here we go. Here we got all the straps as well. They follow. I was wondering about that. So now let's get to the mounting. Let's see how this works, man. Alright, so I moved it a little bit further back. I actually had to do this on the opposite. You have it one way around and then back to tighten it up. But actually, it seems like it's sitting pretty tight. I think this is actually possible to get through, man. This is good. Alright. It's a little bit of traffic here today, but I wanted to try these bags and see how well they fit when we ride a little bit harder with a lot of terrain. So let's see here. We gotta go down here. I need to watch for cars because there was a lot of them going by here lately. But let's try our way up. All right. Oh shit! But okay. Let's see how it fares so far. What I'm looking for is that it's not falling down and that it's not sliding forward or backwards, or it's getting more loose. And I can actually feel it's a little bit looser. Or is it? Might be just me. Gotta look on the video later to see how it looked like before. But I mean, I feel like it can be a little tighter. That's here. It's not the face. But okay. Most important thing is that it's not falling off. Oh God. The worst thing is, I really want to try it, but I cannot do that alone. But goddamn, I need to bring some friends over. I mean, look at that. It should be possible, but I'm not gonna test these on that one. Not today. But it still fits though. I just wanted to take these up here. It's a bit too further down. It's like it's not in the way, but I think it would feel better to have them there. Oh, it's all about the feels. It's actually damn cold. How long have I been blinking? I mean, is that a road? It does look like a road. Oh, it's a frick. No, I can't do that. This is kind of a big history route, actually. F-ruta is for flyktingsruta, which means an escape path, which was used during the Second World War to escape. I didn't want to ride it because it's actually a cultural piece of history that I don't want to rip up with my tires. Simple as that. We're getting a lot of shaking. We're testing the bikes. I just hope that I find some more roads that is actually a little bit bigger. What about this, maybe? If I just like... What is this? I can try. Someone has been here. It's getting hot. Look at that little playground. I mean, I could try to reach the top, but I don't want to test my luck either. Seems like the last guy stopped here. If I was with someone, I would have. But if I hurt myself, it's not a good idea. But either way, bags are still here. Okay. Let's turn this around. I really want to go up there. Okay, just a little bit though. Just a little bit. Trying. These are killers. These can easily kill you, man. Oh shit. Oh, that almost killed me. They are so slippery when you can get between your tires or wheels. Tough luck. Nice, man. Sweet spot. I need to try this more. Bags are still here. I see something. Holy cow. No. Either way, I need to turn off this. Okay, yeah, it's... I mean, it would be possible, but I'm not that brave when I'm alone. I'm not that brave when I'm with other people either. It's just them being braver than me. You're still hanging there? Yeah. What about here? Would you look at that? Someone has been here. But that's a bicycle, I think. God damn. That was deep. Much deeper than I thought anyways. Alright. I'm gonna have a break here. Alright. We are now testing these things, and well, what I can say is that I see they are loosening up a little bit with these mountings, but it's holding up pretty decent, man. I mean, the only thing is that these things like here are slipping a little bit, so I suggest tightening them up, like if we tighten this and just strap it around here. I think we should be good. I've been riding for about 2 or 3 hours and they are still here, so I'm happy. They cost, it's a very fair budget price on these things, so I would definitely recommend it if you just need something quick and easy. Do mind that this is going to tire on your bike. Definitely, you're not gonna escape that. So that's something to consider if you really like to finish on your bike. I think that's it for today. I'm just gonna play around a little further, but I think we got to test this Rhinowalk bags pretty fair today. Even almost freaking fell. But let's clear that off for the home run. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a few pictures and then peace out. Thanks for watching. Wow, that's a rabbit. Holy cow, man. That was random, dude. It's a freaking rabbit. He's running. There he goes. Awesome. Thanks for that, man. Little guy.